Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet card holder and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use spaghetti solid yarn and hook number 4.5 millimeter as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot. Then I will make 27 chains as shown now. Now I finished 27 chains. Then I will skip first chain and make single crochet into the third loop from the back as shown now. I will put the hook into third loop, then grab a loop to have 2 loops on the needle and make single crochet as shown now. Then I will put the stitch marker into first stitch, then make the hook into front loop of the first stitch as shown now. Then put it again into third loop of the next stitch and grab another loop through 3 loops on the hook as shown now to finish that stitch with that shape. Then I will repeat with the same sequence across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 2. I will make a chain and turn our work, then put the hook from the back as shown now, from the back of that unit under these 3 loops from the back here and go through 3 loops of that stitch to the front as shown now. Then grab a loop to have 2 loops on the hook, then grab another loop through them. Then I will put the stitch marker into the first stitch, then put the hook into the back loop of the first stitch as shown now, and put it again under 3 loops of the next stitch from the back with the chain under 3 loops. Then grab a loop to have 3 loops on the hook, and grab the 4th loop through them to finish second stitch with the chain. Then repeat with the same sequence across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 3. I will make a chain and turn our work, then make single crochet as shown now, then put the stitch marker, then put the hook into the front loop of the previous stitch, and put into the next stitch to have 3 loops on the hook, and grab 3rd loop through them, and repeat with the same sequence across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. I will start round 4. I will make a chain and turn our work and put the hook from the back under 3 loops with the chain to the front, and grab another loop to have 2 loops on the hook, and grab 3rd loop through them with the chain to finish first stitch. Then put the stitch marker. Then I will put the hook into the back loop of the first stitch and put it again under 3 loops of the next stitch from the back to the front, and grab another loop to have 3 loops on the hook, and grab the 4th loops through them to finish that stitch, and repeat with same sequence across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished 4 rounds with the shape. Then I will repeat round 5 to round 8. I will repeat round 3 and round 4. Now I finished 8 rounds with that shape. Then I will fold that unit 3 layers to sew them from the sides with the tapestry needle as shown now. I will use the tapestry needle to sew the sides together as shown now. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will join the metal lock with the card holder as shown now. Then I will make the tassel. I will wrap the yarn around 2 fingers 5 times to make the tassel. Then cut the yarn and tie it. Then join with the card holder by the ring as shown now. Now I finished that crochet card holder and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.